itheadcenter.com. You can follow us on Twitter, IT Head Center. So some of you are probably asking the question, how can I improve my backups to the extent that I can have maybe a more reliable backup, because tapes are letting me down and I'm still using tapes. I know I can back up to hard drives, etc. But I've kind of explored that and find that sometimes that's quite expensive. Maybe using Google Drive or SkyDrive is never enough space. So how can you back up to something that is simple, reliable, and low cost? Well, a service that we would recommend would be Amazon Web Services Glacier. If you purchase some software from Cloudberry, so if you go to www.cloudberry.com and you can download a trial version of Cloudberry Server Backup, you can set up scheduled backups to back up your data to AWS Glacier. So you'll have to get yourself an account on Glacier and then just back up your files daily. Now you can, if you want to, back up the files every 5 minutes. So as soon as somebody makes a change to a file or adds a new file, you can set up the Cloudberry software so that it can automatically back up that file straight up to Glacier, or you can schedule it to do it once a day. So you're going to say to me, well, you know, there's got to be a cost to this. There's got to be a big cost. Well, I've done a backup for somebody. It's 750 gig of data, and for the month of March it cost around about $8 to store that backup into Glacier. When you initially do the backup of actually the upload, because your throughput will be quite high on that particular month, then obviously your first bill would probably be a little bit larger. So I think typically to upload probably about 300 gigs, something like that, would probably cost you about $20 maybe. So once it's there, then the cost to store is relatively low, and of course all you're doing each day is you're doing incremental backups where you're just uploading the files that you've changed to the archive. You can set it so that it doesn't delete files, so if you delete files you can leave that file undeleted in the Glacier. It's entirely up to you how you set it up to do that. So really it's a system really where you've got data being backed up off site into a extremely resilient solution with AWS. It ticks all the boxes from an auditing point of view. It just does. So really that's a serious solution to look at, in my opinion. You would find it extremely difficult to find a company who would take your tapes away daily from your site for $8 a month. You know, plus of course you've got the cost of the tape on top, haven't you? I mean, tapes are extremely expensive. So as a backup solution, have a look at AWS Glacier. Try it. You can try it parallel to what you're doing at the moment, but you know, have a go, do it. hope you found this useful. It's www.itheadcenter.com, and of course you can follow us on IT